Good morning all of you. Welcome to my YouTube channel Manu Search Institute. Today I am going to start exercise 8.3 part 4. Okay. Before this I taught you part 1, part 2, part 3 from exercise 8.3. Okay. So many questions I have solved. You can click to the I button and see the videos whichever I have uploaded from part 1, part 2, part 3. Either you can click to the link which is given in my description box. From there you will learn so many things about exercise 8.3. So now we will start. Is question number 5th 7th bit. Okay, in the 7th bit question is given tan theta divided by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta whole divided by 1 minus tan theta equals to 1 plus sec theta into cosec theta. Okay, this is our question. I have written LHS. I have taken LHS. Why? Because already I told you whenever you are getting numerator and denominator in the LHS or either in the RHS, you select that part. So here two terms are there and both are in numerator and denominator, so I have taken LHS. Now here there are no squares given in the question. Okay, so without the square we won't able to use the identities. For that reason we will convert everything in terms of sine and cos. I told you previously that whenever you are unable to solve any question, you convert everything in terms of sine and cos. Okay, so we will start. I will change tan theta in terms of sine and cos, that is sine theta by cos theta whole divided by cot theta will become cos theta by sine theta plus cot theta will become cos theta by sine theta whole divided by tan theta will become sine theta by cos theta. Okay, so everything we have changed in terms of sine and cos. Now arrange it properly. Sine theta by cos theta will be as it is. This one will be multiplied here, so we will get sine theta minus cos theta by sine theta. Okay, same we will multiply this one here. Again we will get cos theta by sine theta whole divided by cos theta minus sine theta divided by cos theta. Okay, now arrange it properly. Write this one as it is and multiply this part by reversing. So sine theta will come up, then in the denominator we will get sine theta minus cos theta plus this one will be as it is, cos theta by sine theta into, again reverse it, cos theta by cos theta minus sine theta. Okay, now multiply sine into sine, sine square theta divided by cos theta into sine theta minus cos theta. Okay, this one we got plus cos into cos, cos square theta whole divided by sine theta into cos theta minus sine theta. Okay, now we have to take LCM. So I will just explain. When we are taking LCM, we have to see the denominator. See the denominator. Cos theta, sine theta are different. Okay, so both will come for the LCM. Now sine theta minus cos theta minus sine theta terms are same, but the sign for different terms it is given. Okay, what it is? Suppose I will write 4 minus 5. Is it equals to 5 minus 4? Because we are getting 4 minus 5 is minus 1, 5 minus 4 is 1. So either we have to change this one in terms of 5 minus 4, either we have to write this as 4 minus 5. Okay, similarly for these two term also we have to change. So I will change this part. Okay, look at here. This will be as it is, sine square theta cos theta, this is same, sine theta minus cos theta. Okay, I am not writing this sign here. What will happen you will come to know. Cos square theta divided by sine theta. This one I am interchanging, sine theta minus cos theta. If it is plus, you can directly interchange, there won't be so much of problem. But when it is in minus sign and if you are interchanging the term, then this plus will become minus. Are you getting? As I have converted this as sine minus cos to get same terms, so this plus will become minus. Okay, so now it is very easy to take LCM. As I said, whatever are different things given in the denominator, all will be your LCM. Sine theta, cos theta and sine theta minus cos theta. This is your LCM, because here cos theta is there, here sine theta is there. This is same for both denominator, so any one we will take. Now sine square theta, out of these two, from here which term is missing? Sin theta is missing here. Okay, this is the extra term which it is given in the LCM. So this sin theta will be multiplied with the numerator. Okay, minus cos square theta. See, two terms are there. Here three terms are there in LCM in the denominator. So which term is missing? Cos theta is missing here. That cos theta will be multiplied with the numerator. Okay, so now after multiplying we will get sin theta into sin theta, sin cube theta, minus cos theta into cos theta, cos cube theta, whole divided by sin theta into cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta. This will be the next step. Now we will use a cube minus b cube formula. A cube minus b cube formula is a minus b a square plus ab plus b square. Okay, a cube minus b cube formula is a minus b a square plus ab plus b square. What is our a? Sin theta is our a. What is our b? Cos theta is our b. So according to the formula, a minus b, that is sin theta minus cos theta, a square sin square into ab sin theta into cos theta plus b square, that is cos square. Okay, whole divided by sin theta into cos theta sin theta minus cos theta. Okay, now next you can see these two terms are same. There is multiplication, so we can cancel it. Okay, now what is left? Sin square theta plus, I am writing cos square theta, plus sin theta into cos theta. Okay, divided by sin theta into cos theta. Sin square plus cos square is how much? 1 plus sin theta into cos theta in the numerator by sin theta into cos theta. Okay, now separate the numerator. 1 by sin theta into cos theta plus sin theta into cos theta by sin theta into cos theta. We have separated the numerator. Now 1 by sin theta is cosec theta, 1 by cos theta is sec theta. Okay, are you getting? 1 by sin is cosec, 1 by cos is sec, plus this is cancelled. 1, we can write this as 1 plus sec theta into cosec theta. This is our RHS. Okay, next bit. In question number 8 it is given 1 plus sec a whole divided by sec a equals to sin square a by 1 minus cos a. Okay, you can either take LHS and prove RHS, either you select RHS and prove LHS. I will take RHS because there is square, we can use formula for this term. Okay, so I will write RHS sin square a divided by 1 minus cos a. Okay, what is the formula for sin square a? 1 minus cos square a divided by 1 minus cos a. Okay, now this can be represented as a square minus b square. So what is the formula? A square minus b square? A minus b and a plus b. Okay, 1 minus cos a, 1 plus cos a is 1 square minus cos square a, either 1 minus cos square a, same, divided by 1 minus cos a. Okay, 1 minus cos a, 1 minus cos a cancels, so what is left? 1 plus cos a divided by 1. So you remove the 1 and write the term. So we got 1 plus cos a. But what is our LHS? LHS is in terms of sec, and we got the last line in terms of cos. So we will convert cos theta into sec theta. So cos theta is 1 by sec a. Multiply sec a here. You will get sec a plus 1 divided by sec a. This is your LHS. Okay, next bit. This is a question which is very much important from the NCERT book. Okay, one more question is there of similar type, where in RHS there is different terms are given. Here cosec a plus cot a is there. In that question you will get sec a plus tan a. So first of all we will discuss about this question. I wrote the LHS. Now see the RHS. I said the different type of question where sec a plus tan a you will get. Here cosec a plus cot a you got. Okay, so here what we will divide with numerator and denominator, we will divide sin theta, because cos theta by sin theta is cot theta. Sin cancel, 1 by sin is cosec theta. And the other type of question where you will get sec a plus tan a, there you divide cos theta. Cos cancels, sin cos is tan, 1 by cos is sec theta. Are you getting? So I will write by dividing sin theta with numerator and denominator. Okay, with numerator and denominator we have cos a by sin a minus sin a by sin a. We are dividing with all the terms, 1 by sin a divided by cos a by sin a plus sin a by sin a plus 1 by sin a. Okay, now these two cancels. What we will get? Here we will get cot theta, that is cot a, minus 1 and plus cosec a. Okay, and denominator we will get, this one is cot a, again same, plus 1 plus cosec a. No need to do anything with the denominator, only we will change the numerators. Okay, see carefully. I will bring cosec a first, then cot a, at last I will write 1. Okay, I will write 1 at last with minus sign, same sign. Denominator will be as it is, no problem, cosec a. Okay, now there is a formula, cosec square theta minus cot square theta equals to 1. Okay, there is a formula, cosec square theta minus cot square theta equals to 1. So what I will do, cosec a plus cot a as it is, this one I am writing inside bracket, minus, in place of 1, can I write this formula? Are you getting? In place of 1, I wrote this formula because this is also equals to 1. So in place of 1, we can use the formula. And denominator will be as it is, cot a plus cosec a plus 1. Okay, I have done a small mistake in the question. In place of plus, it is given minus in the question. Okay, in place of plus, it is given minus in the question. So just rectify it. Wherever plus we have written, we will write it minus. Okay, this is minus, this also will become minus 1. Okay, just a small mistake. Where it was written plus in the question, it is written minus, and we have rectified. Now what we will do, we got the value. We will use here a plus b, a minus b's formula. That is, this term will be as it is, minus a plus b, a minus b. Okay, a plus b, a minus b, whole divided by cot a plus cosec a minus 1. Okay, from these two, this is one term and this is one term. From these two, can we take out cosec a plus cot a common? Okay, because both are same. So if I will take out cosec a plus cot a common, here 1 will be left. And from these two, if I will take out this is common, this will be left. So I am writing cosec a plus cot a outside. Here it will be 1 minus, here it will be this much. Okay, because both are same, we have taken out common. Are you getting? By cot a plus cosec a minus 1. This into 1 is this much we will get, minus this into this we will get both. Okay, so I have taken out these two common. Here I have written. Okay, now what we will get, cosec a plus cot a inside bracket 1 minus cosec a plus cot a. Okay, 1 minus cosec a plus cot, whole divided by cot a minus cosec a plus 1, cosec a plus 1. I will just arrange this one according to the numerator. Cosec a plus cot a multiplication 1 minus cosec a plus cot a whole divided by 1 I will write first, minus cosec a plus cot a. Okay, so these two are same, we can cancel. What is left? Cosec a plus cot a. This is our RHS. Okay, next bit. Now question number 10. in question number 10 it is given 1 plus sin a divided by 1 minus sin a total root over, okay, these are inside the square root over, equals to sec a plus tan a. So this type of question you select LHS because numerator and denominator is there and it is very easy to solve. Okay, so I will take LHS 1 plus sin a divided by 1 minus sin a root over. Okay, now 1 plus sin a divided by 1 minus sin a, okay, into, there is no square. To get square you rationalize the terms, okay, so that it will become square root whole square, either individual squares. Okay, so 1 minus sin a is there in the denominator, multiply the same terms with opposite sign plus and it should be inside the root over. Okay, now 1 plus sin a into 1 plus sin a is 1 plus sin a whole square, and 1 minus sin a into 1 plus sin a is 1 minus sin square a. Okay, this is a minus b, a plus b, a square minus b square's formula. Now 1 plus sin a whole square by this will become cos square a root over. Okay, now this square we will give to the total term. Okay, the whole term will get square because this is inside whole square and this is also having square. So we will get we will give one square to both numerator and denominator with root over. Why we have done like this? So that we can cancel these two. So what is we got next? 1 plus sin a by cos a. Okay, so whenever the term is in this way, you give the total square, then you cut square root because this is given for numerator and denominator both. Okay, you don't cut simply one denominator and root over, either numerator square and root over. Okay, when you are giving to the total term square root, then you remove the root over and square. Now what we will do, we will separate the numerators. 1 by cos a plus sin a by cos a. So we will get 1 by cos a is sec a plus sin a by cos a is tan a. This is our RHS. Okay, next bit. In the 11th bit it is given sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta whole divided by 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta equals to tan theta. So we will take LHS because so many terms are there and it is very easy to solve from here. So sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta divided by 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta. Okay, now as we can see, here the degree is 1, here the degree is 3. If we will take out common, then the degree will become 2. Then it will be easier to use the formula, but now it is not at all easy. Okay, so what I will do, from these two terms I will take out sin theta common. So from here if I will take out sin theta common, nothing is there, 1 we will write. From here if I will take 1 sin theta, 2 sin thetas will be left, that is sin square theta. Okay, sin theta into 1 is sin theta into sin square theta is sin cube theta whole divided by, from these two also I will take out cos theta common. Okay, so it will become 2 cos square theta minus 1. Okay, cos theta into cos square theta cos cube theta, cos theta into 1 is cos theta. Okay, now these two are tan theta. What we have to get? Okay, we have to change these two terms, either this one in terms of cos, either this one in terms of sin, so that it will be cancelled and we will get our RHS. So what I will do, I will change this one in terms of cos theta. Now sin theta cos theta 2 cos square theta minus 1, in the numerator I will write 1 minus 2 inside bracket, sin square theta will become 1 minus cos square theta. Okay, like this we will get. Now sin theta bracket 1 minus 2 ones are 2 minus minus plus 2 cos square theta. Okay, divided by cos theta 2 cos square theta minus 1. Okay, sin theta 1 minus 2 is minus 1 plus 2 cos square theta whole divided by cos theta 2 cos square theta minus 1. By arranging this term we will get sin theta, this one I will write first, 2 cos square theta minus 1 whole divided by cos theta 2 cos square theta minus 1. Okay, these two terms are same, so what we got, sin theta by cos theta equals to tan theta. This is our RHS. Okay, next question number 12. In question number 12 it is given sin a plus cosec a whole square plus cos a plus sec a whole square equals to 7 plus tan square a plus cot square a. So we will take LHS. We will take LHS because in LHS there are two terms and they are written inside the whole square. So with the LHS we will solve. So I am writing the LHS, sin a plus cosec a whole square plus cos a plus sec a whole square. Okay, so first of all you will use the identity a plus b whole square formula. This will become sin square a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, a square plus b square plus 2ab plus a square plus b square plus 2a and b. Now we know the formula, sin square a plus cos square a is 1. So we will arrange these two together. Sin square a plus cos square a. What is left? Cosec square a is left plus sec square a plus 2 sin cos a will become 1 by sin theta plus 2 cos sec a will become 1 by cos a. Are you getting? Sin square a plus cos square a, cosec square a plus sec square a, and this term cosec became 1 by sin, sec became 1 by cos. Now cos cos cancel, sin sin cancel. Sin square a plus cos square a is 1. This became 2 ones are 2. This is also 2 ones are 2. Now we have to get RHS in terms of tan square theta and cot square theta. Okay, 7 we will get by adding some numbers, but anyhow we have to get the ratio of tan square and cot square from cosec square and sec square. So I am writing sec square a plus cosec square a. Okay, now this will become 5 plus, we know in sec square theta there is tan square. Okay, sec square theta's formula 1 plus tan square theta, and cosec square theta's formula 1 plus cot square theta. Okay, are you getting? So you have to remember the formula so that in the proper place you can substitute its values. Okay, now 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 1 7 plus tan square a plus cot square a. This is our RHS. Okay, next bit, 13th bit. In 13th bit question is given cosec a minus sin a inside bracket, sec a minus cos a inside bracket. That means these two are in multiplication. Okay, equals to 1 by tan a plus cot a. This much we have to get. Okay, so what we will do, we will take LHS. From LHS we will get cosec a minus sin a into sec a minus cos a. I told you whenever you are unable to use any formula, there is no square, so convert everything in terms of sin and cos. So cosec a will become sin a minus sin a. This will be as it is because this is in sin. Sec a will become 1 by cos a minus cos a. Okay, multiply this one here, this one here. So 1 minus sin square a divided by sin a into 1 minus cos square a by cos a. Okay, now 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta by sin theta into 1 minus sin square theta is sin square theta, 1 minus cos square theta is sin square theta divided by cos theta. We can cancel. Okay, same terms are there in numerator and denominator, we can cancel. So what is left? This is sin a into cos a. Okay, so this much only we got in by solving LHS, but we have to get this as RHS. Okay, so what we will do, we will keep this one as it is, equation 1. Okay, now I will take RHS. RHS is 1 by tan a plus cot a. Convert this into sin and cos, 1 by sin a by cos a plus cos a by sin a. Tan will become sin theta by cos theta, cot will become cos theta by sin theta. Multiply sin into sin, sin square theta plus cos into cos, cos square theta divided by sin theta into cos theta. Are you getting? I have just cross multiplied and I multiplied the denominator as it is. Now 1 divided by 1, this will become 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1 divided by sin theta into cos theta. Okay, when we will write this one in numerator, it will become like this. This become 1 by 1 into this will be reciprocal, sin theta into cos theta by 1. So after multiplying, what we will get? Sin theta into cos theta. This was our LHS, this is our RHS. Is it same? Like this also you can able to solve the question. If you are unable to solve after some step, so what you will do, you take RHS and get the same value of LHS, whatever is your last step. Okay, if both the last steps are same, then LHS equals to RHS. This is also the way to solve trigonometric ratios. Okay, next bit. Given 1 plus tan square theta whole divided by 1 plus cot square theta inside bracket equals to 1 minus tan a by 1 minus cot a whole square equals to tan square a. Either you take this and prove tan square a, either you take this and prove tan square a. All are equal. You can select any of the term out of it. So I will take the first term, that is 1 plus tan square a whole divided by 1 plus cot square a inside bracket. We know the formula. 1 plus tan square a is sec square a. Okay, and 1 plus cot square a is cosec square a. So these two formulas we will write here. So 1 plus tan square a will become sec square a and 1 plus cot square a will become cosec square a. Now answer we have to get, RHS is tan square a. So convert these two in terms of sin and cos. Sec theta is 1 by cos theta. So sec square theta is 1 by cos square theta. Cosec square theta is 1 by sin square theta. Now write this one as it is and this one with the reverse order. So it will become sin square a by 1. So we will get sin square a into 1 is sin square a by cos square a. So it is tan square a, RHS. Okay. Now we will take the second part, 1 minus tan a whole divided by second part 1 minus tan a whole divided by 1 minus cot a whole square. Okay, we have to get this one in terms of tan square a. So what we will do, we will convert this as tan. 1 minus tan a divided by 1 minus 1 by tan a. Okay, whole square. Now multiply tan a here. So we will get 1 minus tan a whole divided by tan a minus 1 by tan a whole square. Okay. Now see here. This is a division line. Here nothing is there means 1 we can write. So 1 minus tan a by 1 into this will be reversed. Tan a by tan a minus 1. Okay, whole square. Now we will multiply. So we will get tan a 1 minus tan a divided by, we will take out minus common from here. So what we will get, minus tan a plus 1. If we will take out minus common from here, we will get minus tan a plus 1, minus minus plus minus plus minus. Now we will arrange it. So we will get here tan a 1 minus tan a divided by 1, I am writing this first, minus tan a. Okay, minus is written inside the square, so minus minus is plus, no need of writing anything. So 1 minus tan a, 1 minus tan a cancel. What we will get, tan square a, because square is there. Okay, there is small, I have written tan square a. This is our RHS. So by taking this we have proved tan square a. Again by taking the second part we have proved tan square a. Next bit. Question number 15. In question number 15 it is given 1 plus cos theta whole divided by 1 minus cos theta square root equals to cosec theta plus cot theta. Okay, so we will take LHS 1 plus cos theta whole divided by 1 minus cos theta root over. So I already told you, whenever you are getting this type of question you rationalize it. So we will extend the root over. 1 minus cos theta is there, so what we will multiply? 1 plus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. Whenever you are getting any questions numerator and denominator, always you rationalize it. Okay, so 1 plus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta is 1 plus cos theta whole square, and 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta is 1 minus cos square theta. A minus b, a plus b, a square minus b square, 1 square is 1. Okay, now we will use formula here. Okay, 1 plus cos theta whole square by 1 minus cos square theta is sin square theta square root. This square we will give to both the terms. Okay, 1 plus cos theta by sin theta, total square we will give, because this is also inside the square and this also having square power. Okay, so we will give 1 square to both the term and root over. Why? Because to cancel these two terms. Now 1 plus cos theta by sin theta. Now separate the numerators. 1 by sin theta plus cos theta by sin theta. So 1 by sin theta is cosec theta plus cot theta. This is our RHS. Okay, next bit. Number 16. In question number 16 it is given cos a divided by 1 minus tan a plus sin a divided by 1 minus cot a equals to cos a plus sin a. So I have taken LHS to prove. In LHS there is tan a and cot a, but in RHS cos a plus sin a. That means we have to convert this one in terms of sin and cos. Okay, so cos a is as it is 1 minus sin a by cos a plus sin a divided by 1 minus cos a by sin a. Okay, now multiply this one here. Cos a by this will become cos a minus sin a divided by cos a plus multiply this one here, sin a divided by sin a minus cos a divided by sin a. Okay, there is nothing in the denominator, so we will write 1. Here also we will write 1. Now we will arrange the terms. Okay, so by arranging the terms we got cos a by 1 into cos a by cos a minus sin a plus sin a by 1 into sin a by cos a minus sin a. Okay, so this will become cos square a divided by cos a minus sin a plus these two will become sin square a by cos a minus sin a. Sin a minus cos a. We will get cos square a by cos a minus sin a plus sin square a by sin a minus cos a. Okay, now you see the denominators. Here cos a minus sin a is there, here sin a minus cos a is there. Terms are same but with opposite sign. So what we will do, we will arrange it with the same manner. Cos a minus sin a, again sin square a by this also we will arrange cos a minus sin a according to this. Okay, this we have arranged cos a minus sin a. So when we are interchanging the terms, here minus is there, we have interchanged the term, so this plus will become minus. If plus is there and you are interchanging means no problem, there won't be any effect for the sign. But when minus is there in between terms and you are interchanging, this plus will become minus. Okay, now LCM is same, so we will keep the LCM cos a minus sin a, and in the numerator we will get cos square a minus sin square a. So which formula we will use? A square minus b square, cos a minus sin a into cos a plus sin a whole divided by cos a minus sin a. These two will be cancelled. We got cos a plus sin a. This is our RHS. I hope you might have understood whatever I have explained so far from the trigonometric chapter. I will be uploading a new video from selected questions of R.D. Sharma from the same chapter, okay, which will help you for the board exam. So if you have any queries or doubt from the exercise, you can ask me by sending message to my comment box. Thank you all of you. So please subscribe my channel Manu Search Institute. Thank you.